Alright people, welcome again to MG. This load, man. Hey, why this a load? Alright, welcome again people to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing good and everyone is doing fine. We're gonna discuss Demarai Gray, his debut. We're gonna just dive a little bit into his debut, look at the statistics and also check the eye test. So I know a lot of persons because we see a new player coming in, automatically they did well and everything is just that good. But what we're gonna do now, we're gonna look at the certainly me know enough people have said why I already passed the eye test. But what we're gonna look at right now is how did he really played in that game on his debut. Did he really have such a good game on his debut? That is what we're gonna look at. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Let's get to the meat of the matter. This is the Demarai Gray debut analysis like that. Yeah. So hit the like button, people. Let's give a shout out to our channel members. Where is the channel members? Come up. Two patrons. Raymond Austin, Ravan Bennett, Original Zilla, Jermaine Swaby, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Feather 5, Black Icon 40, Kyle Wallace from the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club, Lee Bell, Marsden Enriquez, Jamil Winter, Roko Reacts, Devon Hughes, Ari Linkup, D. Ellisworth, and Blair Video. My sincere respect to you guys. You guys help the program you help keep the program going. Thoroughly appreciate that. Now, we all know that wasn't the result that we wanted, but we're gonna put aside the result. We're gonna discuss players right now. We're gonna discuss players, and the first player we have on board is Demarai Gray. Now let me bring up the Google screen. As you can see here, this in front of you is this is in front of you is the team and the team ratings. As you can see, Demarai Gray ratings is 7.4. Only person who tops that is Damian Lowe. This is according to 365 score. And as you can see, Lambert would be in third position. And I do think that Lambert had a good game. Unfortunately, it's not so good for Andre Blake, and solely because he conceded a goal, because I thought that Andre Blake had a wonderful game, but because he conceded a goal, that will always take points off him. But so big up to Damian Lowe. Alright, so let's get into the aspect of it. Let's have a look at what pops up for the statistics. Let's have a look at what pops up for the statistics of Demarai Gray. Keep on saying Demarai. This is it, people. Good. So, a total of 89 minutes played. You can see that when he was coming off, he never really wanted to come off. It was quite clear. 89 minutes played, 1 assist. Total 1 shot, total of shot of 1. He was blocked. No offside. 1 key passes. 1 big chance created, as you guys know, which led to the goal. Let's scroll up. Pass completed, 80% pass completion. 12 of 15, and if you look into context, that's quite low. That's quite a low amount of passes. Not saying that the percentile is passed. I'm saying that the amount of passes that he ended up made. But as you can see, most of those passes I thought would have came in the first half. Unfortunately, we didn't have much of the ball, so not much you can expect from it because we didn't have much of the ball. Long passes complete, 4 out of 5. That's 80%. Crosses complete, 1 out of 4 at a quarter. Dribbles completed, 1 out of 3, 33%, at a total of 29 touches. And as you can see, not much here where the defensive aspects are concerned. Maybe just one interception. Now, one of the questions a lot of person asking me is, this is the first Demarai Gray playing for Jamaica, and he slotted into the team immediately, and it just goes to show the quality that he possesses. And the coach would have seen that amongst the players before even we do. The coach would have seen that, and when we see him on the pitch, he's literally gliding. He's literally gliding, smooth, silky, first touch on point, decision making on point as well. Very extremely smart player in how he approaches the game. You can say though, I do believe that in the second half, he kind of slightly fade away in the game. A lot of persons said that there's a reason for that because we consistently pushing the ball to the side where Liam Bailey is at. But I do believe that what he showcased in that USA game is quite brilliant and shows is showing us exactly what is to come. And if that is his first game, can you imagine his third game going down? But another question that is being asked at this present moment, last night I was having a discussion with someone, is how is it that Demarai Gray come into the Reggae Boyz team, slotting so smoothly and putting a performance like this, but yet still we have other players in the team that are being overly cheered for. Maybe use that term there. Has been cheered for consistently, but yet still we haven't seen that level of performance. Let's say Liam Bailey. We haven't seen that level of performance from Liam Bailey. Just some simple stuff. But you can clearly see what he has to possess, and this is actually his first game in the colours. Not much training session as well. Maybe about two training sessions and his first game in the colours amongst these players, and he slot in seamlessly people, and he looks really, really good. And when he came off, I was surprised. I was really, really surprised when he came off. I never expected him to be the one to come off. I think it was maybe a bit too early for him, but unfortunately, as you know, maybe fade a bit into the game, and that's just how it is. The entire front line, you can see a bit of fatigue creeping in. Surprised that any one of the frontline players in the front line end up finish the game, play the entire 90. Did any of them play the entire 90? No, they didn't. Maybe just Bob Reed alone. But in all aspects, I have to say that was a wonderful debut from Demarai Gray. Definitely one of the better debuts I've seen. We're full. You almost play full 90 minutes. Most times the person play debut like 15 to 20 minutes. I have to say it was a good debut, and on his debut, registering an assist, which showcased that he has a lot of goal contribution to come up with the Reggae Boyz. So, people, tell us what you think in the comment section. What you think about Demarai Gray debut. I personally thought that it was a brilliant one, and I do believe that there's a lot more to come from Demarai Gray, a lot more to come from him in the Reggae Boyz colours. So, tell us what you think, people, in the comment section. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. As you can see, we are on the road to 30k subscribers. Help us to get there, people. Massive respect. MG Sports TV. And we are out. Boom. Music.